That is because we have black holes for money over in the District 11, right? I term certain areas as black holes for money. Basically, a lot of the transactions there is lose money, negative sale one. Okay, now moving on to District 11. Okay, so District 11, smaller as well. District 10 being the biggest out of the entire CCR area. District 11 also quite small. Wharton Estate, Newton, Novena, and Thomson. So Newton, Novena will be where Newton Circus is, as well as where the hospitals, Mount E, Tan Tock Seng, and then also Wharton Estate, primarily made up of landed properties. Okay, the apartments and whatnot mostly within the Novena, Newton, and Thomson area. So why is District 11 popular? I would say District 11 is just a sort of extension on District 10 lah. And so primarily status, the old rich especially. So the District 10 are where the landed properties are, and a lot of them then they just buy their second property, because District 10 used to be a lot of landed lah. Not so much apartments, right? Unless you go to the Bukit Timah road stretch. So a lot of the apartments were built in the District 11, Newton, Novena area. So that's where there's still a lot of old rich and old money there. They have their main house over in Bukit Timah, and then they buy the second property, Newton, Novena. So still there's a status aspect lah to staying in the District 11 area, especially if you look closer to the Wharton Estate. But maybe not so much, of course, if you compare Punggol and Newton, Novena, it will be considered high-end and of course good status. But if you compare within the CCR area, District 11, Newton, Novena area may not quite match up in terms of status prestige to District 10. District 9 depends, right? District 9, District 11 depends what you are looking for lah. District 11 people are there primarily for the schools as well, right? So it's more similar to District 10 as opposed to District 9, where District 9 more foreigners, more lifestyle purchases, more investment. District 10, District 11 more own stay.
Hello, sorry to interrupt. We'd like to take the opportunity to thank you for watching the video, and also to share why we do what we do, is to empower consumers with hard facts and figures, quality research, and real-life examples to allow them to make the most informed property decisions. So if you found our videos useful, the only thing we ask for is for you to smash that like and subscribe button so that the YouTube algorithm can push out our videos to more consumers. Thank you, and back to the video.
So District 11, last 5-year price trend. Some interesting observations over here would be the negative growth rate for resale properties. Again, having quite a lot of high-priced ones, and which is why the trend it's basically flat for the resale market over there. That is because we have black holes for money over in the District 11, right? I term certain areas as black holes for money. Basically, a lot of the transactions there is lose money, negative sale one. And District 11, as well as bordering the District 9, if you look at the Scots area, Orchard Scots, the Scots Tower, that area, a lot of negative sale transactions. Cane Hill, that side also quite a fair bit. And in the District 11 also, if you go closer towards the Derbyshire area, there also have some negative transactions lah. And I see that's the reason why the resale transactions are somewhat level. But that's not to say developments there or you cannot make money if you go into District 9, District 11. There are case studies of very profitable transactions being done in District 11 as well. It's all about the quantum and it's all about the product that you buy into. Okay, as for the new ones, quite standard lah. Just continue to go up. Let's move on to the 10-year one. Maybe there's a little bit more things for us to to derive from that one. Alright, so after you stretch out in the 10-year one, you do see the growth rate for resale being a little bit more reflective and being somewhat closer in terms of trend to the rest of the market, right? So over here, what I will see is that the resale one is then trending up in the same, slightly more similar trajectory to the new one, right? In line, as opposed to the District 9 one where the resale one is struggling to match up with the new launches.